Welcome to Terry Wilcott's Garage. Well, look at this rust. It's bad. I believe I'm over my head here on this one a little bit, but that's usually the way it goes. This baby needs to be taken off the frame. Yeah, and do a frame off restoration, which it's going to get, but that's later down the road. Right now, we're looking at this mess. And it goes down and underneath that window. So, yeah, it doesn't look too bad there, but it is. There's just a little piece there in the corner, and that's it. So, I thought I was recording this, but I guess I didn't hit record. So, I am cutting out the seam sealer here. And underneath the window there, it goes all the way back up in there. This is not hard to do. I'm trying to be careful not to mess that window rubber up. Now I'm sanding the underside or the back side of the metal there. Just to get a little tooth on it there. And I normally wouldn't make a template but since I'm going around that window there, I cut the piece of sheet metal to curve around that window in that groove there. So I made a little template, but normally I wouldn't have had to do that. And I'm drilling some holes because I'm going to use zip screws to attach it temporarily. Ooh, pretty. Nice. Pretty. So I mixed up a little mud here, and what I'm doing here is I'm gonna shove this mud up underneath that panel there a little bit. Just like that. Right there, like that, like that, like that, like that. Oops, right up the nose. Nope. So that's what I'm doing. I'm using that Bondo I'm using it like glue. It works good for glue. You can not only use it to shape, you can use it to glue with. And this is a temporary patch. I don't know if you caught that or not, but that's what it is a temporary patch. I need just to get this rig licensed and back on the road so I can do some work to another vehicle I have. This is going to be my backup vehicle, and I got to get it on the road. This was right before winter was hitting, and winter caught me off guard, and I didn't get it done. It came quick, and it hit hard. So I was just trying to get things done as quick as I could. I actually attached the bottom part of that from the inside with the zip screws and sheet metal screws, and I'm going to leave those in. But these out here I'm going to take back off and I will just use seam sealer to make it look a little pretty. So here I'm just scraping off all the excess Bondo because I won't need it. So this is just a temporary patch. I will be doing some real restoration body work on this, but for right now I'm just trying to fill the holes and, like I said, get it back on the road. Thanks for watching, and for more videos, subscribe.